Welcome to Motorsports Menia, the place where driving passion meets detailed automotive insights. Whether you crave raw power, refined luxury, or cutting-edge tech, we cover it all. Today, we're reviewing the all-new 2026 Volvo S40, a sleek, compact sedan that signals Volvo's next chapter in innovation, sustainability, and Scandinavian design. This isn't just a return of a familiar nameplate, it's a reimagining of what a compact luxury car can be in a world increasingly driven by electrification and technology. The 2026 Volvo S40 re-enters the market as a fully electric sedan, aimed at younger buyers and city drivers who want style, performance, and environmental consciousness in one cohesive package. From the outside, the design is unmistakably Volvo. Clean lines, a minimalist profile, and the iconic Thor's hammer LED headlights all contribute to a look that's both elegant and futuristic. The front fascia is smooth and aerodynamic, thanks to the lack of a traditional grille, and the sculpted rear features a full-width LED light bar that enhances visibility and gives it a distinct nighttime signature. Built on the next-generation C platform co-developed with Geely, the S40 is both lightweight and rigid, which improves efficiency and handling. It is slightly smaller than the S60 but still offers a strong presence on the road. The sleek proportions and well-integrated aerodynamic elements help to reduce drag and increase range. Wheel sizes vary between 18 and 20 inches depending on the trim, and buyers can choose from a variety of stylish paint colors with both matte and metallic finishes. Under the skin, the 2026 S40 offers multiple electric powertrain options. The base single-motor variant delivers around 230 horsepower to the front wheels and is perfect for daily urban driving with smooth, quiet acceleration. For those looking for more punch, there's a dual-motor all-wheel drive version that produces approximately 400 horsepower, giving it swift acceleration and great traction under all conditions. This performance variant can sprint from 0 to 60 in under 5 seconds, placing it among the quickest in its class. Battery options range from a 60 kWh pack in the base model to a 78 kWh pack in the extended range version. Depending on the configuration, you can expect an estimated range between 250 to 330 miles on a full charge, based on EPA testing. Charging is efficient, too. The S40 supports up to 200 kilowatts DC fast charging, allowing it to go from 10 to 80% in about 30 minutes. AC charging via a home wallbox takes roughly 7 to 8 hours for a full charge. Volvo includes a comprehensive suite of charging solutions with app-based access to public chargers and route planning that considers charging stops. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that blends traditional Volvo craftsmanship with cutting-edge tech. The minimalist dashboard layout focuses on clean design and high-quality materials. There's an emphasis on sustainability, with recycled materials and vegan upholstery used throughout the interior. Despite its compact size, the S40 is surprisingly spacious thanks to its flat EV floor and smart packaging. Front seats are ergonomically designed with excellent support, while the rear offers enough legroom and headroom for adult passengers. At the center of the cabin is an 11.5-inch vertical touchscreen powered by Volvo's latest Google-based infotainment system. It's fast, intuitive, and always connected. You get Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store built in, with seamless voice control and real-time updates. Apple CarPlay is supported wirelessly, along with over-the-air software updates that keep the system fresh and responsive. The digital instrument cluster is customizable and provides all essential driving data at a glance. A premium Harman Kardon audio system is available for those who value immersive sound. The S40 isn't just about comfort and connectivity. It's also one of the safest compact sedans on the road, thanks to Volvo's long-standing commitment to safety innovation. The 2026 model comes equipped with an extensive suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include pilot assist for semi-autonomous driving on highways, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring with steering assist, rear cross-traffic alert, and a 360-degree camera system. Volvo's next-gen litter-based safety technology is expected to debut in higher trims, offering even more advanced collision prevention. On the road, the S40 offers a refined and composed driving experience. The ride quality is smooth and balanced, with minimal body roll and excellent isolation from road noise. Steering is light but accurate, making city driving and tight parking maneuvers easy. The all-wheel drive version adds noticeable grip and confidence in poor weather, while the low center of gravity from the battery placement improves cornering stability. Drive modes let you tailor the car's behavior to your liking, whether you want maximum range, balanced performance, or a more dynamic setup. Practicality is also well considered in the 2026 Volvo S40. The front trunk, or frunk, adds storage for smaller items, while the rear cargo space is generous for a car of this size. The rear seats fold flat to increase capacity when needed, and the powered liftgate adds convenience. Volvo has included thoughtful touches like configurable ambient lighting, multiple USB-C ports, and wireless charging pads. Climate control is dual zone and features an advanced air purification system to enhance cabin air quality. One of the biggest strengths of the new S40 is how well it bridges the gap between premium features and attainable pricing. Volvo has positioned it competitively against rivals like the Tesla Model 3, BMW i4, and Polestar 2, making it a compelling choice for those who want style, substance, and sustainability in one attractive package. It may not shout with performance drama, but it delivers an intelligent, well-rounded package that reflects the future of urban driving. To sum it all up, the 2026 Volvo S40 redefines what a compact luxury electric sedan should be. It combines sleek design, solid